up you guys, welcome back to Sprinkle Sugar Pop. If you are new, welcome. So in today's video we are going to learn how to make this safari themed box. So if you are interested, keep on watching. Okay guys, so here are the things that you are going to need. Your heart mold, your cake pop mold. Use the round one. I couldn't find the round one, so I'm using the football one. A fondant rolling pin, cake pop sticks, at first I was thinking of using that leaf, but as you guys saw on my video, we are not going to use that leaf. And then also for the alphabet molds, I decided to go with the mini letters. For the cake pop dough, I decided to go with vanilla, and then you are going to need chocolate for your heart. For your strawberries, we will be using candy coloring by Color Mill in the color eucalyptus, emerald, and clay. Yeah, clay. So this wood fondant embosser, some luster dust, lemon extract. I will be putting the link down below to all the things that I have here so it can be easier for you guys. A brush, Ziploc bags, and your cake pop stand. Alright, let's go ahead and start melting our chocolate. And once your chocolate is melted, go ahead and dye it with the color clay. I want to thank you guys for leaving a comment on my last video. You guys are the freaking best. And also congratulations to everyone that started a strawberry business. Woo-hoo. Also comment down below your IG handle, like your strawberry business IG handle, so I can go follow you guys. Alright, so moving on, let's go ahead and start working on our cake balls. Since I couldn't find the round cake pop mold, I'll be using the football mold, but you can go ahead and use the football mold if you want as well. It's the same thing. It helps you get that size you want, but also for my heart sets, I like to make the balls a little bigger just because the heart is big. And I do charge a little bit more for my heart set, but yeah, it's up to you honestly if you want to keep the size of that K-pop mold. But for me, I like to make my balls a little bigger just for the heart sets. To make this cake pop dough, all you have to do is bake a cake and crumble it up. I do have a step-by-step tutorial on my channel. Just look for the heart and pizza video. Let's say you want to do a funfetti flavor, just add sprinkles into your dough. Valentine's Day is around the corner. It's this Monday. If you have a strawberry business, have you started prepping? Please let me know in the comment section. If you are getting big cracks on your cake pops, spend a little bit more time kneading it in your hand. Also, if you guys don't have these cake pop molds, you can also use a cookie scoop. You can find it at Target, Walmart, at your local craft store, basically anywhere. Once you're done, you can go ahead and add a paper towel on top of your cake pop dough so it won't dry. Alright, so now it's time to dip our cake pops in chocolate. Alright, let's say your cake pop is covered in chocolate, it's dry, and then you see a crack. The reason why you get cracks is because your cake pop dough is cold and your chocolate is warm, which means you have to make sure your cake pop dough is at room temperature before adding the stick, because warm chocolate with cold don't go. It will give you cracks. I find this process so satisfying, but at the same time nerve-wracking because I don't know, I trust my dough, but sometimes I feel like my ball is going to fall off. Alright, so it's time to add the second layer to our heart. Make sure your heart is not sweating because it will give you problems. Your first layer will not bond with the second layer. So let's say your chocolate is sweating your heart, leave it at room temp and just let it dry. And once you feel that the chocolate is dry, add the second layer. Make sure to add enough chocolate along the sides and in the middle because the middle is crucial. If you don't have enough chocolate, your heart will break. Once the cake pop is dry, go ahead and twist the stick to release. Our cake pops are now cake balls. How exciting. So when you are drizzling, you want your chocolate to be runny so you can get that perfect drizzle. By the way, this color is Sage by Color Mill. I love it. Like, I am obsessed with this color. It's so beautiful. I'm so excited for Easter. I love pastel colors. We get to celebrate Jesus' resurrection. I honestly don't know where the bunny and the carrots and the eggs came from. If anyone knows, please comment down below because I honestly think that Easter should focus more on Jesus than eggs or like bunnies and carrots. I don't know. I don't want to start a whole debate here, but please let me know your thoughts about Easter and like, you know, yeah. Alright, so I'm looking at my calendar and yeah, I just realized it's too early to be talking about Easter, but I mean, time flies, you know, and it's just best to start prepping and brainstorming so you can have like your menu up and ready like early. Well, not so early, but like before, like two to 3 weeks before Easter. Also, will you guys be interested in a haul video? I am planning on making one for Easter. I want to show you guys all the things I get and how they work. So if you guys are interested, comment down below. This fondant that I love to use is by Wilton. When you first buy it, it is a little bit hard, but you have to knead it in order to make it soft. So I thought clay was gonna give me like a dark color, but I was wrong, so I had to add a little bit of brown fondant. You want your fondant to be in between, not too thick or thin. Fun fact, I love working with fondant, but I don't like eating it. So if a treat has fondant, I remove the fondant. Am I the only one? Let me know. I'm curious because I do know some people that they don't mind, like they will eat treats with fondant, but me personally, no, I just prefer removing it. Alright, so now it's time to measure to make sure is big enough for the heart. So as you guys can see, it was a little bit too big, so I had to cut off the sides, and then I went ahead and used an X-Acto knife to make some little details. It looks so cute. It looks so cute. I love it. I love it. I'm glad I did those little details. So at first I told you guys that we were going to use emerald. I did dye a little bit of fondant and I didn't like the shade. It was just too, it was like a greenish bluish tone, and I didn't like how it looked with these tones, so I decided to go with eucalyptus, and eucalyptus is perfect. So here I'm just trying to create a jungle vine. Also, if your fondant is a little bit sticky, all you have to do is press lightly and it will stay. But if your fondant is a little bit dry, add a little bit of chocolate or edible glue. This luster dust is the best. It has lasted me over a year. It's from Lavender's Bake Shop. So there's two ways you can use this luster dust. You can use it with lemon extract or just like that. As you guys can see, I'm using it with a fluffy brush, and yeah. So I went ahead and added the rest of the decor to the cake boss and the heart. Now I'm working on some little cute leaves. Oh my god, I am obsessed. These leaves are so cute. I need to create more stuff with these leaves. They're so freaking cute. This mold, I believe, is from, not sure if it's from Amazon or Lavender's Bake Shop, but again, I will put the link down below. And for the letters, I decided to go with the mini alphabet mold. We are finally done, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And remember, I do have a step-by-step tutorial on how to make these cake pop dough. Look for the pizza and heart video. Yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. I'm excited to continue working on more video for you guys. Please comment down below any video suggestions or anything really. I just want to start a conversation with you guys. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to show support. God bless.